Hey, welcome back to day 4 of the 2-week flow along challenge. So first of all, I apologize. I'm sorry. I totally forgot that I have a life as well. So on the weekends, it will be a bit harder for me to make content. I will be away this coming weekend as well because I'll be camping. But for those of you who are following along virtually, if you're not following it along live, that's totally fine. It doesn't affect you. And even if you are, and even if you are attempting to try to do this every single day back to back, it's totally okay. We all have lives. You might fall sick. You may have other commitments too. You may not be able to do it every single day. That's totally okay. But I do encourage you to stick along and follow along for the 2 weeks. So yes, if you're new to the challenge, do check out day 1 if you want to go back into some of the foundations. Today's session, we will be building upon some of the stuff that we covered in day 2. And if, as usual, if you want to engage with the community, if you have any questions, feel free to tag me or use the hashtag TRGMobility. So let's get right into it. So today we will be going into your first formal flow, connecting both the overhand matador, 1, 2, 1, 2, with the underhand matador, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you don't already have a rope, a skipping rope should do, but if you're looking for a nice flow rope like this, you can check them up on our website, trgflow.com. The one that I'm using is the black velvet. So in today's session, I want to quickly remind you of a few things. So number 1 is go at your own pace, go within the ranges of motion that you are comfortable with. Don't push yourself. If you have some sort of injury, if you're recovering from anything, take it at your own pace and progressively load or improve your ranges of motion. This session will be broken down as 2 minutes for a warm-up and to help you understand how to switch directions. And then from there, we'll be having about 4 minutes for the Maki Roll in one direction, and then another 4 minutes going the other direction with a short 1-minute break in between. All right, first of all, get into your starting position. So neutral stance, legs about hip width apart. And you want to get used to twisting your body side to side. Because what's going to happen is in this movement, you're going to turn from your right side to your left side and vice versa. So get used to turning your body. So just a nice little warm up for your back. When you're ready, the next thing that I want you to do is I want you to involve your legs as well. So have loose knees and start to twist your knees a little bit. And what you want to do is when you twist, let's say to the left, I want you to have your right knee come up on the balls of your feet like this. So let me pull the camera down a bit to make sure that you can see that. So when I'm turning to the left, my right leg is coming up like this. When I turn to the right, my left leg is coming up like this. So switch, 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 switch. You can turn your leading leg, which you're putting your weight on, a little bit forward as well. Like that. And what you want to do is get used to that twisting motion. When you turn, let's say if I'm turning to the right and the left leg is coming out, make sure you put more of your weight on your right leg. Same when you go to the left, you put your weight on your left leg. So practice shifting your weight and turning your body first. All right. And then when you're ready, we'll get into the Maki Roll. So the first thing that we'll be doing now is getting used to the overhand raise and chase. So just do some of those, overhand matadors. So let's do some of the matadors first. Remember 2 beats on each side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you need a refresher on the movement, your right hand comes over, draws that half circle. Left hand come over, draw that half circle. That's if you're still struggling to unlock it. If you've already unlocked it, it doesn't have to be the right hand doing all the work. Both hands are engaged together with that opening movement or that switching movement in terms of which hand is over, which hand is under, right? All right, get used to overhand. Now I want you to switch to underhand. So do underhand, underhand. Again, 1, 2, 1, 2. Reminder, with underhand, your leading hand goes under to the opposite side, not over. Again, if you're still struggling to unlock this, cross over and then you draw the half circle to bring it over. Cross, half circle, cross, half circle, cross, half circle. But if you're a bit better, you can engage both your hands and you can swing them together to switch which hand is over and which hand is under. All right, now that we have both warmed up the overhand and the underhand matadors, let's get into it. So for the Maki Roll, you're basically connecting both of them, and this is what it should look like completed. It's 2 beats on each side. 1, 2, 1, turn, 1, 2, 1, turn, 1, 2, 1, turn, 1, 2, 1, turn, 1, 2, 1, turn. So that's basically the flow of it. Whether or not it's a full 360, that doesn't matter as much. The main thing is 1, 2, 1, turn, 1, 2, 1, turn, 1, 2. That's one full cycle, right? So I want you to get used to that beat count. So start with your overhand matadors on your right side. So if you look at me, I'm standing neutral stance facing you, and I'm turning my body to the right. And don't forget, we were working on that leg work and weight shifting before. Shift your weight to your front leg, have your left leg out like this. 1, 2, 1, turn, and then now weight is on your left foot, right? And you're doing the underhand matadors now. Don't worry too much about how many times, whether or not it's like 2 beats on each side if you're still a bit confused. I want you to just start with that overhand matador first. 1, 2, 1, turn to the left side, right? Again, 1, 2, 1, turn to the left side. And now your weight is on your left foot, right foot is out like this. And then now you're just doing underhand matadors. Now to get back, you're doing your underhand matadors and your weight is on your left foot. So when you come to your left side, you go 1, 2, and then 1 back to the right and turn to your right side, all right? So it's gonna go 1, 2, 1, turn, like that. 1, 2, 1, turn. 1, 2, 1, turn. It's gonna feel a little bit awkward with the turn because what's gonna happen is when you switch over here, that's the 1. You see 1, 2, 1, and then now you're turning. It will help to pull the rope over with your shoulder, a bit of that in steer. Don't worry too much about the technical term, but basically you lead with your shoulder and bring it over, right? So 1, 2, 1, turn, and then you bring it to the right side right away. So let's quickly connect those together. 1, 2, 1, turn, 1, 2, 1, turn, 1, 2, 1, turn, 1, 2, 1, turn. And that is basically your first flow, the Maki Roll. Feel free to speed it up once you've gotten the hang of it. But don't forget to engage your legs and shift your weight, all right? So turn your pivot leg and you're shifting your weight to the leg that is in front. Aim to have your head above your foot. So let's look at it from the front. 1, 2, 1, turn. 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 All right? All right, 1 minute break. If you're finding that you're still not used to that over and underhand matador, do remember you can start with those over and underhand matador tutorial videos just to get used to the movement first. And once it kind of becomes more automatic where you can do that 2 beat on each side, it's going to become a lot easier to connect both of them. But again, don't worry too much about form, just get used to the turning piece. And then again, once you get used to the movement, then you can start to fine tune more of the nuances around shifting your weight, your leg positioning, that will help you both move more appropriately, but also look a lot better in how you flow, all right? About 5 seconds left. Okay, now we're going to go the other direction. So if you started with overhand on your right side, now I want you to do overhand on your left side, all right? So overhand matador, let's start with a few beats here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Weight on your left foot, right foot lifted up like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now switch to underhand matador. Weight on your right foot, left leg out the back like this. Then 2 beats on each side. 1, 2, 1, 2. In fact, actually, the underhand matador is an opposite beat count if you want to get really focused around the technicalities. It's technically 2, 1, 2, 1, because when you cross over, that's the second beat on the same side. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, right? But don't worry too much about beat count. Just remember when you lock in the Maki Roll, it's going to be 1, 2, 1 turn, and that's going to make it a bit easier for you to think about when you are turning. All right, now if you're ready, same thing. 1, 2, 1, turn. 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 And what you can do with your Maki Roll is practice getting lower. So bend your knees a bit. And you can even work in more of an in-steer when you come back from underhand to overhand. So for those of you who are not familiar with an in-steer, instead of the regular crossover, so with overhand you're crossing, the leading hand is crossing on top. An in-steer involves bringing your shoulder over a bit more. So like this, you see my shoulder leads, and then the rope follows instead of my fist leading first. I'm actually letting my shoulder lead like that. So that's what it looks like. Here's what it looks like from the front when you're switching over. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right? So again from the side. 1, 2, 1, turn. 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 All right. This one is a bit more of a workout because you're involving your whole body, you're shifting your weight, changing directions, coordinating a little bit more. Again, with a lot of these things, if you see with flow, if you're wondering when will you start to be able to flow naturally without consciously thinking about the patterns, that will take a while. You have to start to unlock the moves first, get your body used to those moves, and then you can start to connect different moves together, like the underhand to the overhand, or the underhand to a dragon roll. And then the more you practice, the less you have to think about it when you're moving, all right? One, two, one, turn. 1, 2, 1, 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 turn. Turn. 1, 2, 1, turn. Great, about a minute left. 1, 2, 1, turn. Turn. 2, 1, turn. Start to play around with how your hand is moving. See the different ways that you can switch that movement. And which hand is over, which hand is under. How are you moving the rope on those 2 beats? All right, so that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much it for this flow along session. There is another more detailed tutorial video just specifically on the Maki Roll, both the beat counts, the posture, the turning, the timing. So if you're still struggling with it after this session, do definitely check out the tutorial video for more in-depth explanation. But yes, next session we'll be covering some dragon roll variations. So we've done the dragon roll in session 3. In the next session, we'll talk more about some things like the dragon switch, and maybe I'll go into the dragon hit as well, which is a relatively easy transition that you can do from the regular dragon's roll. So again, if you have any questions, if you want feedback on your form, feel free to tag me or use the hashtag TRGMobility. And I hope you enjoyed the session, and I hope you continue to follow along for the rest of the 2 weeks.